Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Amanda Song.
I'm Gyuho Song.
On our channel, we react to a lot of popular Korean movies and dramas, and today we're going to react to Extreme Job.
This one was the latest mega hit in Korea. It hit more than 10 million box office in Korea.
Oh, okay, let's get started. 시작합시다. Gambling?
What is it?
It's a woman.
Oh, so they're cops.
They're cops. Oh! Oh shit. They don't even know what they're doing. Are they all amateurs? Oh, this fucking. This unit is a mess. Like for laborers, like tradesmen.
Oh yeah.
Like construction workers, farmers. They have like a truck that just pulls up. Everyone gets in and goes to work.
Oh, you have it too in the US? I thought it's a very Korean thing.
But it's in the US, it's usually for immigrants. They can't really get a real job yet.
It's the same in Korea, and usually it's for like someone who needs like quick money with physical.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
왜 몰래 숨어서 사람들 감시여?
엄마, 나 진짜 그 정도는 아니야. 나오고
뭘 그 정도가 아니야? 딱 그 정도로.
They're busted already.
Poor thing.
꽃게요.
Like all day, night.
어?
우리 진짜 많이 잡았잖아, 일주일 전.
I really want to eat fried chicken.
뭐 하는 거예요?
This single fried chicken.
야, 아니야.
어?
말이 될 수도 있을 것 같아.
Dragon bar.
치킨 집에서 찍는 것처럼.
아니 쟤네만 시킨 거잖아.
Ah, they're gonna use the chicken joint as like a facade.
그러니까 불충목 뜯어줘. 여기 됐네. 저 결혼 다음 주에 하겠습니다.
Forgive me, mom.
불출종을 공개 한 달 전이야. 우리를 나이트 먹겠다고. 마약관이다 이 양치.
They got something. No.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
니들이 또 왜? 여보세요?
Wait, is Suwon really the birthplace of fried chicken?
Like famous. We have a chicken town.
Suwon! Suwon boy!
Wow.
Wow.
No, that's not how.
That one doesn't even look good. That one looks good.
Yeah.
너 왜 맛있어? 누구야? 전대요.
Oh no.
전데요.
이거 미쳤구나.
너 어떻게 말인데?
He's from Suwon.
And he's from Suwon.
Family restaurant. So perfect.
His face is so funny.
Oh my god. 황갈.
오, 맛있겠다.
이거 이름이 뭐예요?
오!
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh. Wow, they're really successful. Oh. Oh. Damn, he's gonna get some tonight.
He's gonna get lucky.
식단이 왜?
He's
그런 거 있잖아.
no.
흥이했으니까 사장님 사모님. 아 저기 주방장님 얼굴까지
Ah.
대문장이랑 중국적.
No.
No. Oh no.
반복하면
That's gonna come back and bite them, isn't it?
No.
You can't go alone without any backup.
왜 무전 안 받아요? 왜 전화 안 받냐고? 바쁘니까.
우리도 지금 처음 왔어.
범인 잡으려고 죽어라 근데요. 양갈래길은 갑니다. 어느 쪽이 이무배인지 우회전인지 좌회전인지 시청 방면인지 분당 그 참담하고 막막했던 그 심정을
Oh.
아시냐고.
Ah!
못 그래서
Traumatized.
The internal dilemma of Friday.
토막 살인범을 잡아도 모자랄 판에 매일 닭이나 토막내고 있는 이 참담하고 막막한 심정을 너는 아시냐고요. 하루 양파 내자고 많이 가지고 매일이 가장만
내가 우리 어깨에 태우고 있었겠지.
최선을 다하는데 왜 자꾸 다
I think they are doing it now for money. Oh my god, please no. Damn, she's
Way too expensive.
Ah! People are still paying for it. Oh my gosh. So now they're gonna make even more money.
Yeah.
맥주랑 콜라랑 잔뜩
거기다 약간 넣어서 진짜.
A little too much.
No, it's too much.
만들면 이거 어떻게 약을 삽니까? 부탁하고 있어. 약 먹게 그냥.
네. 가자.
Oh my god, now they're gonna drug it. Oh,
Here
finally.
we go. Finally. Yeah. Oh my.
Oh my god. Oh,
Emperor chicken.
golden. Oh my god.
자, 벌써 찍었어? 예. 급한 거니까.
Oh.
To master now.
Swan Wang. They're so cool. 완전 멋지다. Damn. Oh.
What? They moved out?
Oh no, they were so excited.
24시간을
Yeah, they worked really hard.
소집이냐고.
Oh!
Damn.
Is it drugged? It's drugged!
Oh fuck.
미친 개 식구들.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, he doesn't have the retirement money.
형사,
Oh.
어서요.
Oh.
Oh. So Korean. That's the most Korean thing ever. These druggies are gonna ruin the whole franchise. Oh my god, now the drug trade is literally going on right under their nose. And they still don't recognize it. Gambling again?
시간에 이게 뭐 하는 짓들이야?
Oh my god, no.
자, 있어요. 저 실패하고
Oh, they're speaking Chinese?
한국말 하지 마.
Oh!
That's right, motherfucker.
Ow!
Oh no!
Oh! Are they really married? School bus?
Bus! Oh.
What? Oh my god.
어떡해.
Oh my god, he's like
They just made fun of him because he's ugly.
he has some secret power.
Oh. OMB 무배? 오무배? 이무배?
이문배?
Oh fuck.
Oh,
No.
Ebb trying to make them fight.
Oh shoot. Oh, you're right. Oh damn. Oh. Oh. His wife. She found him. And this high guy.
Oh, how was it about?
Ah!
Okay, he's judo master.
Okay, how about the others?
내가 너보다 못생겼다고.
Oh!
그게 얼마나 상처받는지야.
Because he's so ugly. Oh!
You did it?
What's your DT? Your DT가
It's
뭐야?
like special force, like
Oh.
아저씨.
Oh! Oh! How about her? We don't.
Oh my.
Wow, they're so cool. 고관장님?
관장 준비서를 내놔왔더니
좀비?
강력 여태 수사했잖아. 안 죽어.
So
She doesn't die.
just doesn't.
안 죽어. Ow. Oh, even Sunny is running away.
Yeah.
She's like, fuck.
Sonny is so strong.
마누리. Oh!
Oh my god.
Finally a real fight.
She got first punch.
Damn. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
She's really strong. Ow.
Oh my god. Oh. He knew.
Oh my god, it's Christian.
It's like a real zombie.
Christian 오빠.
He will just get tired of hitting.
Yeah. My face actually hurts from laughing so much.
갑자기 빈춘아.
Hey.
닭집 아저씨.
형님 존나게 모르나 본데. 형님 다 목숨 걸고 해.
Oh.
Damn. Oh my god, he's like a zombie. Oh my god, this is so scary. Oh my god. No, what? Oh my god, stop. Oh, what the fuck? Oh no. Oh. No. No. Wait, so like, is he?
Oh.
She's such an aggressive.
Everyone.
Remember when he took the roofies by accident and they like laid him down and like covered him up as if he was dead? What if that was like a hint? Now they're having sogogi party. They're getting promoted. Okay, thanks for watching it with us. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.